Hey everybody, so this is going to be kind of backwards. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am your gracious host LaShawna, and this is what to wear here and there. And now let's get into the vlog. For some reason I keep on forgetting to introduce myself. Thank you for stopping by and stay around for a while. Hey everybody, welcome back. So the craziest thing happened to me yesterday afternoon, actually evening. I was getting ready for the evening, bringing my shoes, my outside shoes upstairs to put them into my closet. And this is what I opened my closet to. I'm just gonna share just this brief snippet again. It just tumbled out of the wall, brought down the other side, and so I've been living out of this for a few days now. Yeah, so we are about to, and I'll show you, I got part of the closet loading. So check back later. It's a work in progress. It's not going to be done overnight. Smoke on the terrace and into the kitchen. I don't exactly. The way you live small, so big. I want to take a picture. Because the bottle is so rich. It don't matter what's outside. Like a white floral type of feels like heaven is the place so small. It's just me and you. In this time, I don't wanna till the option. Girl, don't waste your time. Now it's ash blossom and white floral. She's not getting it. Anastasia has a new concealer. So it's called the Magic Touch Concealer. Isn't it good? Yes. Goes well with your pod. Definitely well. Yes. Hold up with it. You can use two pens. You can do the pockets like. I love this. Okay. The fun has to end. So I hung them to get them out of the way, but that's still not all of them. And so I pulled stuff out. So now at least the clothes are off of the rack that fell. Now I just gotta do these shoes, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put these all up this wall here, take this down, just have those two racks here, and then the one that comes Saturday on this one, because this one's an old makeshift one that is coming down too. See, it's one of those kind. So yeah. Whew, honey, it's still a mess over on that side. Okay, sis, so this is the other shelf rack. It's really for hanging, but some shoes are up there, as you see. And I put a little hook there to hang a purse. But I put shoes there, like, and then there are shoes all behind underneath these racks. But I was able to clear out the shoes from over there. So this is what it looks like. All those holes I tried to kind of cover up by putting up stuff. And this wall it had shelving on, but this is all cleared out. But guess where all that is? Out here! Help me! All right. Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. I am up and at 'em. Gonna head to the mall. So this is what I'm wearing, my outfit of the day. It's raining, so I have on my bootcut jeans and my Fendi loafers. And as you can see, I'm wearing this oversized white sweater, and I am barefaced because who needs to do all that in the rain? And I'm just gonna carry be a little matchy and carry my Fendi baguette. Let's get it here. I got many moons ago, back when I was in college. So this is a vintage bag and I'm loving it. And people are reselling this bag for crazy amounts, okay? So anyway, I just wanted to check in, start the vlog off for today. My parents are here, so my mom is gonna be tagging along with me and my daughter to the mall. Of course, we're going to Tyson's. Y'all know where I love to go. So anyway, just checking in and wanted to say hello. Happy Saturday. It's rainy. Later on, we're headed up the road to Philadelphia to Villanova for Hoops Mania. So that should be exciting. So I hope to be able to wrap it up and end the vlog after that, or maybe tomorrow on Sunday after church. Okay? Alrighty. See you guys on the rebound. Bye for now. Mwah.
She had called and let me know that she was going in for her, because we had talked about her sleep study test.
Okay, so she was going.
She was going to have, but I hadn't checked back with her to see how it turned out. She was going Tuesday.
Oh, okay. It's raining. It's raining. Hey everybody, so I'm back. It's a rainy day. We decided not to go to Tyson's because it is just raining and we're not about that life today. So my daughter is driving. Me and my mom in the back. We're gonna go grab a little salad from Panera, maybe hit Marshall's, Burlington, Ross, you know, all the home stores, minus Home Goods, because it's not that close. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye for now. So they open to the Look at this Vasily Mishka bag. It's so pretty. It's giving rock stud like Valentino. Check that out. My mom is helping me vlog today. Uh-oh. Look at that. And originally $179, now $29.99. Okay. Cute. Got a top.
Take it home.
Got a top handle.
It's probably got a. No, it didn't have a strap. I like that.
Cute. It does have a strap. Okay, so for the girls who are into the rock stud and chain, cute little top handle. Vasily Mishka. Get yours at Marshall's. Look at this. So this is like the chameleon flower for Chanel, and it's in the style of the Chanel 19 bag. This is a leather bag made by Italia, whatever, Bellissimo, who knows. It's 89 bucks.
You can't say that.
89. It's nice. Let's open it. Thank you. Check it out. Ana Paula. That's pretty. And look at the chain. And check out this color. I like that. Nice. Pretty. Cute. Oh, nice. Look at this one. Okay, sparkle, sparkle everywhere. I told y'all. It's here. It's here at Marshall's. This is my mother's kind of stuff. Look at this.
I know, what's this stuff?
spice. That looks pretty. Farm fresh apples. That one might be good. Me at the pumpkin patch. That's so cute. Hey everybody, we are back and we are on the road. On our way to Villanova to Hoop Mania. Got my husband over there driving on his phone here. Me, our family in the back. Yeah. Gabrielle. Everybody say hi. This is the bus. Okay. So anyway, check back in later. Bye for now. I did some already. So guys, we are here at Villanova. Excited to share this experience with you guys. We're here for Hoop Mania. I might have to vlog a little on my phone. I don't think I'm taking my camera in there. But yeah, fun times. We're here for Justin Moore. But we just call him Just.
Yes, it is Swaggy. Hold it down too on this Saturday. You know, let me know how your weekend is going. Let me know what.
If you need help, okay.
I got look. Doors should be open, but they're open at 6:30.
All of the people going to Hoop Mania. Oh wow. Check this out. Wowzers.
You just open the doors.
Nephew, Justin.
This Wildcat emerged as one of the nation's top guards. This second team All Big East pick helped spark Nova to its Big East tournament title. He's on the road back to recovery and a vital leader even as he continues to work towards making it back. From Fort Washington, Maryland, a captain, number 5, Justin Moore.
everybody, that's it for now. Thank you for watching the vlog. I hope that wasn't all over the place. It's been a wonderful Sunday morning as of now. Had a wonderful service. Just gonna kick back and relax. My daughter wants to go to the mall. I have to finish cooking Sunday dinner. So anyway, until the next time, peace and blessings, and bye for now.